Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the model and rated voltage, so you use the correct supply. Once done, place the amplifier on a stable surface with vents unobstructed to avoid overheating. Next, check the mains outlet with a lamp or tester to ensure it's live and confirm the amp's power switch and master volume are set to off. Now connect the power cable firmly to the amp and wall. Make sure the ground or earth connection is present if required by the device. You now focus on signal and grounding. First, route shielded RCA or balanced XLR cables from the source to the amp, keeping them away from power cables to reduce hum. Once connected, ensure tight push-fit connections. Then prepare speaker leads by stripping only the needed length, twisting strands, and attaching to terminals with correct polarity, positive to positive, so phase is correct. Finally, attach the ground strap to a clean metal chassis point. A poor ground often causes noise, so sand paint away if needed. You're ready to power up. With gain and master volume low, switch the amp on and listen for relays or startup clicks. Once done, play a low-level test tone or familiar track to confirm signal flow. Gradually raise gain and volume while observing sound for distortion, clipping, or hum. Adjust equalization and gain staging for clean output. If you encounter noise or no output, turn off, recheck grounding, cable routing, fuses, and that speaker impedance matches amp specs. Addressing those usually resolves common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.